Musamseleku asked help to his daughter's name. He wants Sneh to help him just because Musamseleku he is going to be married to Samke. So he wants Sneh to prepare something. Samke, she is going to wear something because she is going to be married. There is no one who can help him, including Makumalo, because Makumalo, she doesn't want anything to do with the 50th wife. You understand? So he asked the Sneh, and Sneh, she is going to help him. Even his sister, Musamseleku, and his sister, they are not close. They are not close. Macele, she is staying at Sick Park. Macele, she is not staying at Mzumbe. So the person who is staying at Mzumbe is Sneh. You understand? Just because, especially Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't want to, and guys, he knows that Mangwabe and Mayeni, he doesn't, guys, Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't help Musamselek with anything. You understand? But he was trusting Makumalo, but Makumalo now, she have been changed. And nowadays he doesn't ask anything for help to Makumalo, because Makumalo is the one who was helping Musamseleku. Even Mangwawe, when Mangwawe she comes, Makumalo helped Musamseleku with those negotiations with Mangwawe family, what is Makumalo. You understand? But now Makumalo, she have been changed. She doesn't want to do anything. Maybe Makumalo helped Musamseleku with the Mangwabe just because Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are friends. You understand? But she doesn't want to do anything with the 50th wife. So Musamseleku him, and Sneshi is going to help her father. You understand? She is going to help her father because the person who was supposed to help Samke, to help Musamseleku to be married to the 50th wife is Mangwabe. You understand? Because Mangwabe, she is the 40th wife. She is the person who can help his men. You understand? But Mangwabe, she doesn't want anything. And you know that Mangwabe and Mayeni doesn't help Musamseleku with anything. Makumalo is better. But now Makumalo, she have been changed. Even at the ceremony, she doesn't prepare anything. She doesn't prepare anything. She came at the ceremony as a visitor. She doesn't contribute anything. You understand? Makumalo now,